This is my Lakewood P32 or 23 or 22. I don't know. There's no model numbers on it. I've had it a long time. Yeah, as you can see, if I walk, you can see that it has tons of paint on the blades from the last person who owned it. Spins good, works good, has a great startup sound. And let's go. Alright, stay tuned for part 2. Part 2. This time the fan's facing outward. And I'm going to hopefully catch the sound of that wonderful startup. The reason I took the grills off is because they were cracked, and I figured if I'm smart, I won't touch the blades. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Here's the way.